Hi and good day everyone. This is Berhil Nalosa Ignacio Jr. and today I'm going to discuss the star constellations and myth behind it. So this is the clearest and pinakamaayos na picture that I took in the sky. We can see the constellation or named the Taurus the Bull during the northern hemisphere fall through spring or southern hemisphere spring through fall. It sits in the evening sky close to the easy constellation Orion. It has two star clusters that easy to spot and two famous cluster stars which are Pleiades and Hyades. So basically, Taurus the Bull takes the form of a two-branch fork with a center V-shape consisting of an actual star cluster, a family of stars in space that we call the Hyades. The Hyades specifically marks the face of the bull. The bright red star Aldebaran shines in the V. Accordingly, this star represents the bull's fiery eye. In addition, Taurus holds another famous star cluster which we call the Pleiades or Seven Sisters. It has the shape of a tiny dipper. Meet the Taurus the Bull. Taurus is radiant point for the annual Taurid meteor shower which happens every year in November. Locating Taurus the Bull. Taurus is a constellation of the zodiac which means the sun, moon, and planets travel through it regularly. The sun passes through the constellation Taurus from about May 14 to June 21, but you can't see Taurus when the sun is within its borders. Instead, try looking for Taurus in the early evening sky at the opposite end of the year. Furthermore, generally speaking, Taurus is easy to find on its own because of the two-star cluster, the B-shaped Hyades and small but distinctive smattering of stars of the Pleiades. But if you orient yourself with the famous Orion, you'll know you're looking in the right place. Taurus is home to the two particularly bright stars, the Aldebaran and Elnat. Aldebaran is the easier of the two to find because it's brighter. It's part of the B shape of the Hyades and that it has a reddish hue. Taurus the Bull in mythology and timekeeping. According to Greek mythology, the constellation Taurus commemorates the god Zeus changing himself into a beautiful white bull to win the affection of the Phoenician princess Europa. After Europa hopped in the bull's back, the bull swam across the Mediterranean Sea, taking Europa all the way to the island of Crete. Later, Zeus and Europa became the parents of Minos, the legendary king of Crete. For the summary, the bottom line and the reference.